Yo, everyone's getting busy today. It's fucking busy as fucking this gym. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Bradley Martin here, and
You here to talk? Ready to talk?
Yo, Brad. Yo, Brad. Come on. So, if you made it this far in the video, I want to talk about my silence, the moment of silence, the workout of silence. The reason why I did it was because, and I know you guys can relate to me on this level, how many times you go to the gym and you're training, or you're with a group of friends and you're all training, or you're training by yourself, whatever it is, and you just keep finding yourself getting sidetracked, whether it be you're talking to a girl, you're talking to your friend's talking to you about a girl or school or work or something going on in their life, good or bad, whatever it is, right? But don't forget about the reason why you went to the gym in the first place. Was to better yourself some way, right? Was to get closer to that goal, whether it be like a physique thing, a life thing, whatever it is. It's always gonna come back down to that. What is important to you thing? Why are you in there? Why are you grinding day to day? What does it mean to you? Why are you doing it, okay? So I did this moment of silence, this workout, and I challenge you guys to try it too. Go into the gym and just shut the fuck up and train sometimes. Like, I go to the gym so many times, specifically more now that I have followers on the internet, whatever the fuck you want to call it. People come up to me and will talk to me and this and that, and I love it and I appreciate all that. But sometimes you just want to go to the gym and fucking train. Like, I told you guys when I did this series, it was about getting back to where I used to be before anyone knew who the fuck I was, before anyone knew I was Bradley Martin or had a YouTube channel or Instagram or any of that shit. Go back 8 years ago. I was the same person I am right now. Obviously things have evolved and my life has become different and my physique's gotten better, I got stronger, whatever it is. All those things that come along with time because I've stuck to something. But where I was in the beginning, I can tell you without a shadow of fucking doubt in my mind, I never trained that hard. And what I mean by that is, during that time, before anyone knew who I was, I trained the hardest. And now once people started to say, oh, this and that, Instagram, YouTube, then things started to slow down because I started to find myself getting sidetracked, trying to create content, trying to involve people on my social media stuff, and my thoughts were more focused on that instead of the process, the journey, me like doing this training. Now, I'm not saying either one is good or bad. I'm not saying don't do this, do that only. I'm not saying that at all, but I'm telling you that you'll go through phases in your life in which you will find yourself focusing on certain things, right? And you have to understand that whatever you're focused on is gonna be the thing that's gonna grow the fastest. It's gonna be the thing that's you're going to be able to affect that the most to get what you want out of it the fastest, right? The minute you shift your focus to something else, this other thing is not gonna get as much love. It's obvious because you're going from here, where I was 8 years ago training. It was all about training. It was all about getting it done. No fucking questions, no nothing, just going hard, right? To, okay, now I'm on the internet, I gotta make content, I gotta do these things, I wanna build a business, I wanna have a brand, I wanna do cool shit, I wanna travel the world, I wanna have fun, I wanna meet people. And that was my focus. And then this started to go down slowly, but surely, because without a doubt, especially as men, you have to understand that we're not the best multitasking creatures, right? We're good at going 100% towards one thing, right? If you try and go 10% here, 5% there, 2% there, you're gonna fucking only get 5%. You're only gonna get 10%. You're only gonna get 2% out back from those things. So whatever you want, right? I told you guys in the beginning why I was doing this series was to fucking get down to business. So this is me today doing that, to showing you guys, not just trying to fucking preach bullshit. I'm actually doing it. And I want you guys to actually do it too. So I invite you, go to the gym, make a fucking change one time. Fuck the social media, fuck the texting, fuck the tweeting, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a victim to all that. I do that shit all day long. And I wouldn't even call myself a victim because obviously I've gotten so much out of it in my life. So I'm grateful for it, for what it is. But you have to understand, you have to be able to separate yourself from stuff like that, from outside noise, whether it be social media or not. It could be just family drama, it could be things, it could be whatever, brand, fucking money, anything. When you're in the gym, if you're in the gym, be in the fucking gym and go hard in the fucking gym. If you have all this shit you gotta deal with outside of your life, don't step foot into the gym until you're ready to step foot into the fucking gym. You see what I'm saying? Like, don't show up there unless you're ready to do it, right? If you want to keep dealing with the shit, then stay outside the doors, right? But if you're ready to fucking say, okay, let me put this to the side and focus just on this, otherwise why the fuck be in it and do it, right? That's the moment you fucking let this shit go. Okay, so I love you guys. I appreciate all the fucking support. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. If you like this style of video, let me know. I'm not gonna be silent on all my videos, but I really wanted to make a point because I was feeling some type of way today, and I wanted to let you guys know about it because you guys are my fucking family squad. You already know. Let's get better together. I love you guys. I feel like a fucking rapper in that video, bro. Fuck, if I had a mic, but I got a phone, I'm gonna drop it. I don't give a fuck.